Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Omah. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to optimize your LinkedIn profile so that recruiters or people who are looking for your skill sets can get the deserved and the best skills that is you to work for them. Now, is this something that you're actually learning? Make sure you have like, subscribed, and you are sharing this video, because in this video I go in giving you guys the best tips, tricks to help you elevate your profile. The last one is my particular favorite, so ensure that you're watching to the end. My name is Omah. Now let's get started.
When the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him.
Hello everybody, my name is Omah, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, thank you for coming back. To my subscribers, you guys are so adorable. In this video, I'm teaching you guys how to elevate your LinkedIn page, your LinkedIn profile. Make it affordable and available for recruiters or hiring managers to find your skill set worthy of being tapped into. If you want the other person that hasn't been getting the relevant kicks or kind of clicks on their app, and you're wondering, so what is happening? I have my profile up, nobody is looking at my sites. Am I not good enough? Well, maybe there's something in your profile, or rather on your page, that you're not really utilizing. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys all the tips, major tips and tricks that will definitely help you optimize your profile so that hiring managers and recruiters can find your skill set as the perfect match for their positions. Hiring managers, recruiters, or even people in offices like CEOs, CFOs, what have you, are all looking for certain skill sets that they necessarily don't need to go to maybe job sites or whatever to find. They already have LinkedIn, and they know that people that will fill in certain positions will definitely be on LinkedIn. So what they do is just go on LinkedIn, type in the particular skill set that they are looking for, click the geographical location that they want that particular skill set to be in, or they might even decide to go remote, because these days you can work from anywhere thanks to the pandemic and the kind of solution that it has offered. So you can work from anywhere depending on what the hiring manager is looking for. They will just click on type out the skills that they're looking for and search on LinkedIn. And the good thing is, you want to be the person that comes in first, or at least top 5 or 10 of their particular preferences that they want to, get in touch or hire their skills to help them solve certain solutions. Now, the perfect way for you to have this is how I'm going to go into my first point. What you want to do here is ensure that whatever qualifications that you have an experience in, or things that you know is highlighted in your bio, where your picture is, you have there is a place on there that you can put in your qualifications. So I'm going to use my particular preference, rather my profile, as an example. So I am a copywriter, marketing professional by profession. So what you're going to see on my profile is marketing professional, content specialist, and blah 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 blah. So when people are looking for all of these skill sets, they'll just go straight to my profile. It comes up and they click and say, okay, who is this person? What kind of thing does she provide? Are the skills something that you're looking for, or is her page of her profile a perfect match for this job role? So even when you go deeper, when you open the job area on LinkedIn, you can easily see that there are some jobs that are provided, and they'll say, okay, you know what, your profile is a perfect fit for this job, and they will encourage you to apply for those roles. So you want to ensure that your profile is optimized enough so that when recruiters or hiring managers are looking for certain skill sets, they tap and hit your profile. Another great way for you to optimize your page is to ensure that you are niching down. So for instance, if you're a copywriter, you don't want to just put copywriter, you want to specify. That is, if you want to niche down to a particular copywriting field or solution, you can say copywriter e-commerce. So when a recruiter for an e-commerce brand is looking for copywriters in that sector, when they type it out on the search page on LinkedIn, your profile comes up. So you want to say, okay, you know what, I'm a copywriter, e-commerce, or rather I'm a technical writer, or I am an advertising copywriter. Whatever you want to ensure that you have that in your bio. Okay, now for your about page, you want to really show your skill set. You want to brag a bit. You want to just show, this is who I am. This is what I can do. This is what I can show. This is what I can deliver to your business. This is what I can, you want to really you want to open yourself. You know how peacocks move and they just open their feathers. You want to show how you are, who you are, what you bring to the table, what you have done. It's a great way for you to have bragging rights on your page. So ensure that you have like an extended version of who you are, who is this person that you want to recruit, because hiring managers are looking at everything. They want to know who this person is, what the person brings to the table, what are the person's achievements in their current and previous roles, or in several places. If you're an entry-level person, you want to ensure that maybe you have really written down the kind of person you are, the kind of things that you have achieved either in school as a what would they call it? Is it like a class captain, whatever leadership role that you've handled, or whatever thing that you've handled, you want to articulate it properly and share it on there on LinkedIn. Then moving on to your profile picture. Now there is always this judgment or this specified the perfect profile picture for your LinkedIn page. Even though that is a very great advice, but there's a lot of argument concerning that, because why there are a lot of people. LinkedIn is a place for professionals, yeah. So there are a lot of people with several professionals that are very distinct. We are not all going to have the conventional white collar job. So why should your profile picture communicate that to your recruiter? If, for instance, you are leaning towards a creative field, do you want to really put it and tie on your bio? You don't want to do that, because it will not match. Imagine, okay, you put it and tie your bio and they eventually hire you and you're not the certain type of person. And because on LinkedIn, you're supposed to have a certain tie on your bio. No, it doesn't work that way. So you want to ensure that whatever field or industry, or field they're in, they have a particular experience in certain skill sets art, you want to ensure that it bleeds, it comes through on your profile page. So you will honestly see straight out the bat that a creative person's profile is going to be absolutely different from a banking and finance person's profile. The same thing needs to be for an on-site engineer, because your profile literally needs to bleed through top to bottom, from your profile pic to your bio. Everything has to scream, this is who I am, this is the industry that I am leaning towards, this is what I provide. So if you see me with a quirky look like on my profile page, on my profile picture, you understand that, okay, this person is from a creative end, this person looks interesting, quirky, let me see what this person's about. If this person's profile matches the skill set required for this role, then we'll have the person in to start the hiring process. Okay, that's a great skill. So one, you want to really optimize your page, and these are the things that you're going to use and achieve that. Now, if something you have already applied on your LinkedIn page, and sure you share down below. I'd like to hear how you did it and where you found that from. Okay. Then the second one is open for work. You know that bubble that comes and everybody uses and says, "Oh, I'm open for work." Can we stop that, please? Because that is very, in my opinion, that is very desperate. Why should you have that large open for work? Even if you are in your house, you don't have a job yet, I would not advise you to use open for work, because it just bleeds and seems that, oh, this person is desperate for work. You don't want to have that kind of very desperate look and feel for your page. It's a professional page. So you guys already know that. If you don't know this, now you know. Even if without the open for work, even though it says that, oh, it allows recruiters know that, oh, this person is open for work, but open for what kind of work, So what I would advise you to do is go to your profile. There is a place where you can say, okay, you know what, I am open for work, to people who are searching for your skill set. So recruiters, hiring managers, whoever is looking for the skill set that you have in your bio or in your profile, can immediately reach out to you directly and say, oh, you know what, we're looking for somebody in this particular field, and we feel that your profile matches this job that we are trying to put out, are you going to be interested in blah 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 blah? Conversation starts, you get talking with you, and you might even get the job. It's almost like seeing somebody on a normal day, moving maybe at a party, and next thing you see somebody with a placard or the signboard on their face saying, "I am single and ready to mingle." Honestly, I can tell you that most people will be running for the hills when you see somebody like that, because we're like, what is this person's deal? This person, is very, very questionable. Nobody's going to do that on a normal day. So why do you want to be that person that has that open for work? Don't use it. You want to be that person that is in demand, Just come correct. Just come. Okay, let's just use the normal example that I've used. A good-looking person or a regular person, basic girl, basic guy. You don't know whether that person is in a relationship or not. But this person might actually be open to be in a relationship, but you don't have the person will not go and carry single and ready to mingle. No, but from close circles and by asking the right question, you can say, "Oh, this person is actually single. Do you want to meet this person? Let me introduce you." Oh, conversation starts, and maybe a relationship is birthed. That is the same way, or that is the same energy you need to apply to your profile on LinkedIn. Ensure that your profile comes correct. You have your skills, everything ready, your page is optimized. Go to the icon where only recruiters can see that, hey, this person is applying for work and the person is open for work in this and this field. Okay, and that's a great way to open yourself up to the hiring managers or recruiters to say, you know what, hey, I'm available to work. Okay, now the third one is you can double click. I'm not sure that most people know that one. You can double click and get either a like on a page or your profile. I've talked about the profile picture. Now this is the one that is particularly of interesting. This is one I recently just discovered like about a week or a month back, and I was like, oh my god, it blew my mind. This is, how annoying it is for when you've already said, okay, my name is Omah. Next thing they say, oh, it's Omah. Is it? No, it's Omah. No, Omah, no, it's Omah. My name is Omah. Now, when recruiters come to your page, there is a new feature where people can literally hear how your voice sounds and how the real pronunciation of your name really is. There are people that have the names Desire and there's Desiree, but they have the same spelling. So what if a recruiter comes in and they call you in for an interview, and next thing that they're saying is, if your name is Desire, they're calling you Desiree, and they're looking back and wondering, is it me? Am I Desiree? It's almost like something that does crawling up your screen, your skin. So a great way for you to show recruiters who you are, the kind of professional person you are, is by telling them how to pronounce your name. It's a new feature on LinkedIn, and I'm showing you guys all the step-by-step tricks on how to get your name pronounced on LinkedIn. And the great thing is that you can actually do it from your phone. Like, you don't necessarily need to have like a mic, a mic. Unnecessary, guys. It's unnecessary. All you need to do is just open your phone, go to your settings, and I'm going to be showing you guys either here how to just link your name there. It is so amazing. So they can one of the things that is really, really good about this particular feature is number one, recruiters can hear how you sound, because sometimes you will see somebody's profile, it almost feels that, oh, this person comes with all the nine, perfect person, perfect 10. When person now comes into your office, person talks, you're like, oh my god, are you the same person? No. It's a great way for recruiters to just get a feel of who you are, how you sound, and especially how to pronounce your name. Nobody wants to be thinking too much. Nobody wants to be calculating about, oh, is this how this person's name is pronounced? Are these how the inflections are supposed to be applied? Nobody has that time for that, and that is where you come in by providing the perfect pronunciation to your name. And it's a great way to show off your skills that, hey, there are some features on my profile that are not available in other people's profile. So what's good? Get me in. Let's get talking about this role that I'm definitely a perfect fit for. Okay?
Now, when you come to your profile intro,
there's already your name, your last name, whatever. Then you can add the pronunciation of your name, and you can limit it. You can say first degree connections or all members or all LinkedIn members that search for your page. Now all you need to do is to take this, edit it. You can delete the previous one or record a new pronunciation, and that is all. Click on the button, record the pronunciation of your name, and you can take several takes, but it is limited to only 15 seconds. So you want to take advantage of that 15 seconds to really show how your name is spelled, and really put your voice in a manner and way people would want to really approach you. Okay, now these are the tips I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I would like to hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. All right, now if these tips are amazing and are definitely something that you'll be trying, let me know down below in the comment section. I'd like to get a feel of who you are and what you feel about these tips. And if there are any tips that you already are aware of and you feel I didn't mention, leave them down below. I and anybody who watching this video would definitely be interested in it. My name is Omah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm super excited about the whole thing. And yeah, till I come your way next week on my next one. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed, bestie. Bye.